replay.
Morikawa missed with that
double
right.
leg.
Ayan,
Powerful double leg.
Kita mo paano niya tinanggal yung legs ito si Morikawa under.
And because of that missed shot by Hideo Morikawa, he paid the price.
Ito naman yung leg lock na hindi na nahabol itong si Morikawa yung leg locks, pero he was setting it up already.
But CJ was aware. Tinanggal na rin kagad yung paa ni Hideo.
Tsaka dinaganan niya. Umikot siya, tapos dinaganan niya.
Resistance here. Mula sa unbeaten challenger.
Ito yung takedown ni CJ. Ang ganda ng takedown niya. Tinan mo, nilabas, parang inaasar niya pa dito si Hideo.
Ito yung monster takedown.
Yes,
Monster
powerful
slam.
takedown.
Grabe. At dyan makikita mo nung pagka-slam niya, kinontrol niya na mabuti itong si Morikawa. Ito yung ground and pound bago matapos yung round.
Napakataas ng confidence level nitong si CJ De Tomas. But then things change nung nakuha ni Morikawa ang paa ni De Tomas and transitioned into a leg lock. Panoorin natin ang highlights.
Ito yung takedown
niya.
Sinasalo na niya yung leg kicks itong si Hideo. Tapos, ayan, kukontrolin na niya either with a side control or itong north-south. And then iaangat niya yung legs para hindi makapalag.
Para hindi magalaw yung hips.
Diba?
Napailing itong si Hideo Morikawa matapos matamaan.
Mas naging active siya.
Parang yung Superman punch, wala siyang pakialam kung tumama o hindi. He would be going for the takedown. Kitang-kita mo, once na natapon niya, he went right after the leg.
Follow up kagad.
Ito naman yung bumabawi na, itong si CJ De Tomas. Ito yung kaninang sinubukan ni Hideo na kunin yung braso for an armbar, I think. Or possibly other submission. Grabe yung, ayun nga, yung, sabi mo nga, puso, tsaka yung cardio ng dalawa.
Grabe.
Diba? Hindi masukat.
You know, they prepared for it talaga.
Ayun yung ilan sa mga palitan, itong si CJ De Tomas at Hideo Morikawa. Ito yung
double leg takedown yan. Powerful talaga ng
diba?
takedown ni CJ.
Saka maganda rin yung maganda rin yung pag-land dito ni Hideo Morikawa. Hindi nagkaroon ng time. Dahil minsan diba pagka-slam, nakakatulog sila. Or nananockout. Si Hideo medyo, matibay siya pagdating dun sa department na yun. Kumbaga, he can really take so much punishment.
Pero Hideo, dito lumabas ang kailangan improve ni Hideo. He has a hard time stopping takedowns.
Pero yun, check na check. Alam na niya kung saan manggagaling yung maraming
This
punishment.
match is for the URCC flyweight title. And after 5 rounds, we have a unanimous decision. Our winner by unanimous decision, the fighter from the blue corner, CJ Golden Boy De Tomas!
And you,
CJ De Tomas, yung takedowns niya,
was a big factor. Was a big factor in
Yun
this
kasi
fight.
yung nag-control eh. Plus, naging mukha siyang aggressive.